The quickest and easiest way to create an Instagram story is to tap on the templates feed. Then tap on this Instagram story quick start. You'll notice two categories, layouts and templates. Layouts are like beginner templates. The layout of the design, where everything is placed, is locked. This makes editing them fast and very easy. Let's have a look. Now, before we get into the design, I'm sure you're wondering what this little 5 means. Well, that means that there is more than one page in this Instagram story, which is great if you want to create more than one. Each of these pages is editable, and you can save them all as one story or save them individually. Let's start here. This layout needs a title, a description, and an image. To customize the text, simply tap it. To add an image, tap the image icon. You can use an image from your phone or find one in one of our free stock libraries, Unsplash or Pixabay. You can also change the color of things by tapping on them and then tapping Edit. Like the color of the background. And you can use this nifty eyedropper tool to find a color from your image. Notice that whenever I've completed an action and want to move on, I tap the tick to save. When you're ready to export this Instagram story, simply tap this export icon. Then tap Save. This will show you two options. You can either save the current page or all the pages. Once you've picked an option, it will save it to your camera roll. If you want to try something a little more interesting, you can try a template. Tap this down arrow to go back. You can choose a template from the Instagram story quick start, or if you're looking for something a little more specific, return to the template feed and search for it. Templates are more designed and more customizable than layouts. Things can be moved around and pretty much every single element can be changed. To edit or replace something, simply tap on it and tap Edit or Replace. You'll notice that this brings up a bottom editor with new tools. You can use these tools to edit anything in your design. You can change the font, change the color, the style, and so much more. Remember to tap the tick in the right corner to save and move on. Again, when you're ready to export, simply tap the export button and tap Save. And that's it, the basics of creating Instagram stories in over.